My name is Darlene Cap,
My name is Laura Townsend,
My name is Shamara Donaldson.
an instructor for 20 years.
cosmetology instructor and barber instructor. Going on 8 years now.
Started from cash register to administration to teaching to floor instructor to theory teacher to now directing my own campus.
It's all about the students, watching them on their journey from start to finish and becoming licensed professionals.
It's just unbelievable how they have grown. They come back and they teach me a few things. We're more like a big old family.
We believe in them when they don't even believe in themselves.
I like to try to keep it on a personal level. I want you to feel like I'm here for you because I truly am and I care.
Over the 14 years at Shear, this particular student was told by another instructor while she was in high school and took cosmetology that she would never make it. And we kept encouraging, you can do it, you can do it. This girl got her license the very first time. And now she's working, and her mom actually owns 3 salons, and she's running those 3 salons.
The advice that I would give is enroll in a program.
Be ready to learn and love what you do. Those 2 things would do.